Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is August 22nd, 2017, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, just one event coming out of Canada, and that's at 2:30 South African time. That's core retail sales coming out. Lots happening for the end of the summer, but let's see and look at it right now. We're looking here at the Euro USD. Got a nice pop yesterday, as you can see. We're trading just below 1806, and like we said, okay, this was going to trade in a range, and sure enough, on the lower side of the range, 16,892, we hit a bull flag yesterday. Once we crossed over the moving average, you see that we took it just up. So that's a big healthy sign that the euro is back on track and getting onto the higher level. Now, it's not to say that it's going to break this 1844 level, but just realize that it's still vibrant. Okay, it's still very strong. So I would look for a continuation today as the week progresses. Looking at the GBP USD, also solidifying here. As you can see, we're making just several attempts to hit it higher, as we saw 1, 2, 3 attempts. We're now on a support line. I would actually look to buy here on the support line right here on the anticipation it's going to just bounce up. So, relatively it's holding off this lower level of 28.48, but I would look to, slowly but surely ease into the position at this bottom level right here. So look at this later as this progresses throughout the week. Looking here at the USD Japanese yen, holding steady at 109.257, and I think it's going to be a double top here. It's going to go back down to 108.667, so this may be a good place to actually short this on the anticipation that it's going to go further down. I don't think we're going to regain some of this higher 109 level or 107 level, 109.70-ish level. So I think we're going to go down here, so it might be a good place to actually short this. It hasn't been trading so violently and so with some volatility and some range that it's been something out of the ordinary. So if you notice, I haven't been actually giving a review of the USD Japanese yen in the last couple of days. Looking at gold, just slightly retracing under this 1293, which lends itself to think that it's actually going to go even higher. Okay, so if you don't see that this is going lower, you might want to jump into this, okay, in small, okay, not to get too aggressive until we see some sort of confirmation on the upside. But it's not going down, it's just drifting and trickling down, not with any sort of volume, not with any sort of momentum, which lends itself to think that it's actually going to continue going up. Looking at the Dow Jones for a Monday, we slightly went lower, and now we're up a little bit this morning, 21,738. We were about 100 points lower than that yesterday. So just, in the markets maybe regaining itself. We may see ourselves coming back to 21,883. So just keep an eye on that as that as that resolves itself throughout the week. Looking at the DAX here, we're back down to this 1264-ish level. The DAX is weak, okay? So if you haven't noticed, every time we've just bounced off of it, we've just gone even lower. So just keep an eye on this. If this does break this level, 12064, we may go back down to 1190-ish level, which, would be a correctional move and probably would lead the Dow Jones along that way. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.